Hello, my name is Edward Hightower, and I'm the CEO and President of Lordstown Motors. I am pleased today to join you at MIH Demo Day. I wish I could be there with you in person. Today I'd like to talk to you about who we are as Lordstown Motors, a bit about our new pickup, the Endurance, our product development team and processes, and how we will work with the MIH consortium. Lordstown Motors, we're an electric vehicle company that's focused on the commercial fleet market. Everything we do focuses on people who use their vehicles for work. Our tagline is, "Work for it." We have a very experienced and capable leadership team that's focused on this market and creating excellent products for our commercial fleet customers. Let me talk to you a little bit about the Endurance. The Endurance is the only all-electric pickup that's solely designed and developed for commercial fleets. It encompasses smart design and optimizes critical vehicle capabilities for these demanding customers. The Endurance is a full-size crew cab pickup with a 5-foot 8-inch bed, 9.6 cubic feet of lockable storage through the frunk, a range of about 200 miles, and the ability to charge with DC fast charging up to 150 kilowatts. We're also very proud that the vehicle can be updated through our over-the-air software updates. The Endurance is designed to optimize critical vehicle capabilities of traction and maneuverability, safety, and value. First, from a traction and maneuverability standpoint, what's unique about the vehicle is its 4 in-wheel hub motors. 4 motors inside the 4 wheels is the ideal 4-wheel drive execution. The motors provide specific and significant benefits in terms of the ability to control the torque directly to the wheel. That gives the Endurance exceptional performance on any road condition, whether it be regular pavement, dirt, mud, snow, and even ice. Let's see how the Endurance performed during testing. With our in-wheel hub motor design, the motor is packaged inside the tire and wheel assembly. You have the rotor, the stator, the foundation brake and bearing, all connected to a uniquely designed knuckle, which allows the vehicle to have exceptional handling and maneuverability. When you combine the low center of gravity of the vehicle, because it's a battery electric vehicle, along with the location of the motors, it feels very light on its feet. The handling is not what you would expect in a full-size pickup truck. On the point of maneuverability, the hub motors also give us an advantage in turning radius, 47 feet, which is the segment best. As we know safety is a priority to our customers that use their truck for work, we are also very proud that we are delivering the Endurance with a 5-star safety crash rating for the vehicle. The other attribute that we've optimized is segment-leading towing of 8,000 pounds for the under $65,000 class. Optimize traction and maneuverability, optimize safety, and optimize value. We're very excited that we will soon be shipping the Endurance to our commercial fleet customers. We think they are going to love the truck. Let's hear from one of our potential commercial fleet customers, the Port of San Diego.
My name is Marco Cromartie. I'm the Director of General Services at the Port of San Diego. At the Port of San Diego, we are really trying to do everything we can to provide clean air for everyone around us, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. We heard about the Lordstown vehicle a couple of years ago, got really interested, have had plenty of conversations with a lot of folks representing Lordstown, and we are excited about the opportunities that this vehicle is going to bring to us. Touch it, feel it, smell it, I'm telling you, they will change their perception. There are folks that are naysayers out there because they just don't know anything else. They've always had ICE. It works. Why change? And when they get their hands on a true electric vehicle, not some toy, vehicle, they will absolutely become fans and spread the word that this is where we're going.
It has been a very challenging but exciting road over the last few years. In the fourth quarter of last year, we started building pre-production vehicles. We did cold weather testing in the most northern parts of the United States in Minnesota. We've done our structural durability into the early part of this year. We're in the process now of gaining final homologation and certification testing, completing that and getting those documents back from the government. We started commercial production in the third quarter. And as I said, we're looking forward to getting the vehicle in the hands of our customers in the fourth quarter. We're also very excited that we have been named one of the semifinalists for North American Truck of the Year. In the middle of October, 33 of the 50 NACTOY, or North American Truck of the Year, journalists had the opportunity to drive 2 commercial-ready Endurances and give us their feedback. We're very excited by some of the initial articles that we have seen, and quotes such as, "The novel 4-motor powertrain designed for easy maintenance, tight turning radius makes it feel more maneuverable than other trucks." That was from Eric Stafford from Car and Driver. Stephen Cole from Haggerty said, "The Lordstown Endurance is here, and of such interest to journalists that reservations were required for a 30-minute drive. The little company put on a good show, holding the attention of journalists who walked by vehicles from Rivian, BMW, Genesis, Lexus, Cadillac, and Volvo to drive a long shot." Stephen also followed that comment with smooth powertrain, impressive wheel in-hub motor setup, and clean interior design. We look forward to more journalists and customers experiencing the product. Now let's talk a little bit about Lordstown and our team, our product development focused organization. We have the capabilities to create and launch EV programs for Lordstown and multiple OEMs from concept through launch. Our team has the capability to do the strategy, planning, and program management of a vehicle design, the design elements, the engineering, both vehicle components and subsystems, vehicle integration, the prototype builds, homologation and testing, the sourcing, from the strategic sourcing to make versus buy studies, to market test and design competitions, anything that's critical for the supply chain. And finally, from a manufacturing standpoint, the Endurance will be manufactured in the plant recently purchased by manufacturing partners at Foxconn, but we also have the capability to do all of the advanced manufacturing work, all the design for manufacturability steps that need to be taken in creating a new vehicle program, and finally, the critical elements of launch at both the prototype, pre-production vehicle, and commercial production phases. Supporting this organization is a verified team of professionals focused on quality, finance, and information technology. Our cross-functional organization can engineer complete vehicles for ourselves or for OEMs or specific vehicle subsystems. Within Lordstown, we have capabilities in all of the major vehicle subsystems, whether it's propulsion, battery and motor, chassis, thermal, interior, exterior, body, electrical, software and infotainment, and obviously safety systems as well. Blended with those subsystem capabilities are our skills in vehicle engineering, CAE and analysis, prototype builds, and homologation and certification. We're also very excited about the transition in the industry to vehicles that are less defined on horsepower and torque and more defined on user experience and software. It's an exciting time where the central gateway in the vehicle will communicate with zonal controllers throughout the vehicle, mobile apps in the hands of the customer, web applications, and the cloud. We expect our collaboration with the MIH consortium to yield benefits for the vehicle programs that we are executing, as well as members of the consortium. We plan to participate in various MIH work groups, including the electrical architecture and the connectivity groups. And we also plan on leveraging the nearly 2,500 supply base that make up members of the consortium. Creating a common vehicle architecture with shared components, shared subsystems on both the hardware side and software side will allow our customers, as well as members of the consortium, to optimize cost and optimize speed to market. This slide highlights that our collaboration with the MIH consortium begins even in the early phases of a vehicle program to help us build, scale, and localize. As we set the customer requirements and strategy for the program and develop our product technical specifications, we will engage with the 2,500 members of the consortium as we develop our early sourcing work plans. We begin sourcing, and then we look for commonality opportunities amongst the consortium members and other OEMs. While we're focusing on customer requirements and strategy, we would start working with the consortium on long lead sourcing. While we're developing our product and technical specifications, we would develop a sourcing work plan with the consortium members. And then the further engagement of the consortium would come as we look for commonality opportunities and additional sharing opportunities with consortium members on the supply side, Tier 1 and Tier 2, and so on, and other OEMs. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to joining you next time in Taipei.